What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm going to be giving a major update on Algorand. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.
So Algorand is currently trading at a price point of just under 10 cents. It has a market cap of 777 million, which ranks 45th among all cryptocurrencies. And at the current moment, its circulating supply is 7.9 billion out of a max supply of 10 billion, which is about 79% in circulation. And if you're looking to invest in Algorand, you could use Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Kraken. I think all of those centralized exchanges are very good options. Now, the first thing I want to go over is Algorand's all-time high, which it reached back in 2019 at $3.28. And it's currently down 96.99% since then. And at the same time, Algorand is also only up 12% from its all-time low, which it reached 24 days ago. So when you just look at the numbers, Algorand has gotten absolutely decimated. And if you guys believe in this project long-term, it might not be a bad time for you to start dollar cost averaging in. But I want to go a little deeper into this. So if you come over to CoinMarketCap and you compare the current market cap of Algorand to the all-time high market cap of Algorand, which was 13.3 billion. If Algorand got back to those levels, it'd be trading at a price point of $1.69, and that'd be a 17x. Now, the reason this is extremely important is because almost double the Algorand tokens have came into circulation since its all-time high. So if you're looking to invest in Algorand, don't get so caught up into thinking it would only need to reach a $13.3 billion market cap in order to get back to its all-time highs of $3.28. Just to give you guys an example, theoretically, if Algorand were to reach the all-time market cap high that Chainlink reached last bull run, which was 22 billion, Algorand would still only be trading at a price point of $2.77. That'd be a 28x. So even a $22 billion market cap does not put Algorand at all-time price highs. Just understand that. But I do also want to be clear. I'm not saying Algorand can't get back to all-time highs. I still believe Algorand is a phenomenal project with phenomenal technology. And based on the news a couple days ago, I am a lot more bullish on Algorand in the long term. And I'll go over that in just a second. Now, I also think it's worth noting that a project like Shiba Inu, a meme coin, reached a market cap of $41 billion last bull run. Now, the reality of the crypto market is that right now it's heavily driven based on hype and speculation. And meme coins gain a lot of hype. That's just how it is. But if you are someone that believes Algorand could reach the all-time market cap high that Shiba Inu actually reached, then it'd be trading at a price point of $5.17, and that would be a 52x. You invest $1,000, and that $1,000 turns into $52,000. $2,000, and it turns into $104,000. Obviously, nothing is guaranteed. But personally, when I see a project that is only up 12% from its all-time low, and it has as good of technology as Algorand, it certainly intrigues me from an investment standpoint. But these price comparisons are just for educational purposes. Please do your own research and come to your own conclusions. Now, the first major piece of news I want to cover is what came out October 3rd. The judge rejects SEC motion to appeal Ripple XRP ruling. So it is official. XRP is not a security. Now, this is extremely bullish for the entire crypto industry, but especially for a project like Algorand, because Gary Gensler claimed that Algorand is also a security. Now, obviously, that doesn't mean Algorand is guaranteed the same outcome, but it's definitely a good start. And then the other major news going on in crypto right now is Sam Bankman-Fried. So the US government says Sam Bankman-Fried's crypto empire was a house of cards built on a lie. And they said that in the opening trial statement. Now, in my opinion, there are two different ways you can view this information. One, you can view it in a very negative light, as this was once a major face in crypto, and it's just constantly bad news surrounding him. Or two, which is the way that I prefer to view it, we are getting the bad actors out of the space. Now, the reality is that there will always be bad actors, whether that's in crypto, the stock market, sports, literally anywhere in life you look, there's going to be bad actors. That's just how it is. But if we can get some of them out early, that could be extremely beneficial in the long term. And now we'll get into some Algorand news. So if you come over to their Twitter, which has 336,000 followers, they just reposted 22 hours ago Lofty AI's post, which, if you guys don't know, Lofty AI is built on Algorand. So our newest tokenized Airbnb property is now live, introducing a luxury mountain home with amazing views, hot tub, and sauna located in Black Hawk, Colorado. Tokens starting at just $50. And then they just reposted 18 hours ago. Want to join the 200,000 hackathon but don't have a team? Participate in the upcoming team formation sessions on October 6th and October 13th by registering for the Buildable Hackathon. And if you don't know what the hackathon is, great ideas can change the world, propelling us forward. Over 4 weeks, you will get the opportunity to transform your world-changing idea into a startup. with the support of Algorand and expertise of technical mentors who want to see you succeed. Top projects will get a chance to pitch their build to investors on an exclusive demo day. So overall, it's a pretty good way to get new innovative ideas. But honestly, Algorand has no major news since my last video. The biggest thing is by far the fact that XRP is not a security, which is obviously not directly tied to Algorand, but it's still huge. Now for the final part of this video, we'll get into a little bit of technical analysis. So this is Algorand on the daily time frame. And since my last video, Algorand actually made a new local high, which is a very bullish sign, where then Algorand started to retrace a little bit. And now you could argue that Algorand is trading in a bull flag, which break up 68% of the time, and it has a measured move to just over 11 cents. And due to the RSI and stochastics both coming down to reset, I wouldn't be shocked if this does end up breaking out. Now, oftentimes what you'll see happen is price action will bounce up and come up to this high volume node on the VRVP, which is just under 11 cents. And that's exactly where it previously got rejected. But overall, I think Algorand looks pretty good on the daily time frame. But now we'll go over Bitcoin as it's correlated to most altcoins. So this is Bitcoin on the daily time frame. And if you've watched my previous videos, you know we absolutely nailed Bitcoin. We had it drawn in a bull flag that broke up almost perfectly to the measured move. And had you guys taken that trade, you could have made about 9% in 5 days. And I understand 9% is not amazing, but if you actually put things in perspective, the average return on the stock market is 10% in a year. So those are actually pretty good gains. But anyways, right now, what I'm seeing on Bitcoin is that it clearly cannot get above $28,000. That is a very strong resistance level. And you can see in the past, it created 2 different local tops. In addition, the RSI and stochastics are both very overbought right now. So in the short term, I am not very bullish on Bitcoin. If I had to make a prediction, I would say that we either continue trading sideways or we drop a little bit lower, maybe even down to 26,200. And I'm going to stick to what I've been saying. I will not be bullish on Bitcoin until it closes a candle above $28,500. Now, I will end on a positive note. There is one very bullish indicator right now that might save us. So as many of you guys know, I called this initial drop on August 17th because the 21-day moving average broke beneath the 50-day moving average, which created a death cross. Now, if you look at the moving averages, the complete inverse has happened. The 21-day moving average has now broken right back above the 50-day moving average, which is a golden cross. Typically in Bitcoin's history, this signals an explosive move is coming. So another potential scenario is price action comes down and bounces off the 21-day moving average as support, where we then could potentially shoot up to the next high volume node, which is about 29,100, or at least that heavy resistance level of 28,500. But as I say in every single one of my videos, it is critical that you understand macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So if all of a sudden the BlackRock Bitcoin spot ETF were to get approved, that could skyrocket Bitcoin, Algorand, the entire crypto market. On the contrary, if it gets rejected or some extremely bearish news comes out, that can tank the entire crypto market. So just understand the crypto market is extremely volatile. Anything can happen in the short term. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Algorand could go next bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.